Hi everyone. My name is Jonathan. I am a virtual engineer who will help you understand the secrets of the production of foil keyboards, control panels and HMI. I will also explain the technology of production of housings for electronics and their modifications. Do you agree that digital printing is the future? Sooner or later it will replace other printing methods. The sentence above is a bit controversial and I'm not entirely sure if it will actually be so. One thing is for sure. Digital printing has entered the industry strongly. I don't know if you are aware, but the vast majority of textile printing is done digitally at the moment. Dyeing fabrics, printing with other methods is a thing of the past. Digital printing is being used on an increasing scale in industrial production. Our company has been using digital printing for several years. At first it was a modified inkjet printer by Epson. It had some advantages, but many shortcomings. Among other things, it printed only on dedicated substrates. The printing area was very sensitive to moisture and no embossing was possible. More than 15 years ago we decided on HP Indigo technology. It was a hybrid printing technology combining offset and digital printing. The machine was large and required a lot of knowledge, experience and equipment. In addition, the costs of maintenance and operating parts were not small. The advantage of this machine was speed, several hundred sheets per minute. After preparation, it was possible to print on any thin substrate. Unfortunately, after a few years the disadvantages began to outweigh the benefits and that's when we decided on switch to mimicry printers. We currently have 3 such machines. Their undoubted advantages are precision, the ability to print on virtually any substrate, even directly on plastic, aluminum and steel housings. You can hear about the disadvantages of such machines in my other videos. If you want to see how they work live, I'd like to invite you to our company in Warsaw, the capital of Poland. By the way, you will see, among other things, how the entire production process of a membrane keyboard looks like. You will find all the information in the description of this video. Coming back to the benefits of this type of printing, I would like to present you a list of 5 advantages. Number 1. Speed. Industrial digital printing can produce large volumes of printed materials quickly and efficiently. Number 2. Flexibility. Digital printing allows for easy customization and personalization of printed materials, making it ideal for small runs and on-demand printing. Number 3. Cost-effective. Digital printing eliminates the need for expensive printing plates, reducing costs for small-run printing jobs. Number 4. High quality. Industrial digital printing produces high-quality, detailed prints with a wide color range. Number 5. Versatility. Industrial digital printing can be used to print on a wide range of materials, including paper, cardboard, plastic, fabric, and more. See another video from the series 101 Questions to Ask an Engineer.